Ladies and gentlemen, it is a safety requirement whenever you're seated, ensure that your seatbelt is fastened at all times. If you've stored items in the overhead lockers, take extra care when opening the lockers, and items may move during takeoff. Boys and girls, facilitated details of this flight service we will be offering on this flight to Brisbane. When Captain turns off, the fasten seatbelt sign and the aircraft levels off, your crew is serving you breakfast with tea and coffee. On all our Air Pacific flights, our service is complimentary, and sometimes after the breakfast service. To our Pacific Voyager customers, your senior flight attendant Alfred will be moving to the cabin to offer you a duty-free selection. Details about duty-free range and your in-flight entertainment program has been incorporated in the Islands magazine. You will find your personal copy in your seat pocket. To our Pacific Voyager customers, your washrooms are located at the end of your cabin, and to our Tambour class customers, you will find your washroom forward of your cabin. We do not allow the use of personal mobile phones in flights. Air Pacific has designated all flights non-smoking. Smoking is not permitted anywhere inside this aircraft, and that includes the washrooms which have been fitted with smoke detectors. Heavy penalties may be incurred if this is tampered with. For your safety, you must use caution when opening any overhead lockers, as scarce items placed in them may move during the flight. Your cabin crew are here for your safety. If you need any assistance, do not hesitate to ask us, or press the attendant call button located on the control panel above you. Ladies and gentlemen, sitting in a stationary position for extended periods can affect blood circulation, and occasional walk down the aisle or some light exercise is recommended. However, we would appreciate that this is done at the time when the aisle is clear for last service cuts. Cash for Kids is a community program undertaken by Air Pacific to help our needy children of Fiji Islands. Your kind contribution of unwanted coins or foreign currency will greatly help. If you wish to make any donation, feel free by giving a donation to any of the cabin crew. We will continue to thank you for your great donation. I will be moving to the cabin to hand out your rubber form for entry to Australia. If you're transiting through Brisbane and your transit time is less than 6 hours, there's no need to fill this form. But to all our customers disembarking in Brisbane, for your information, if you're traveling on a Qantas ticket, your flight number is QF398. And if you're one of our Air Pacific customers, then your flight number is FG921. Captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Your crew will be heading out headboards and shortly after